Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my handcuff collection. I have 89 pairs and I'll show you the first board, which is the ALFA. We got 20 models here, the gold plated ones. That's the ones of my favourite on that board. And now I'll show you the colour collection. Pink, yellow, blue, orange, brown and grey chain. I'm missing 4 colours, which is the pink, orange, brown and grey. That's my second board. I haven't blinged it up. Now I'll show you my third board. Here I put 50 caliber shells. They're empty anyway. Put some coins, medals. Here I put Russian crest. I think it's a military badge. Here's an Irish crest, I'm from Ireland. Here's a 9-carat gold chain going across. I did all this so I can make it look the board stylish. But the stylish board I have is this one here. It took me 3 weeks to make this board, and I put anything that looks like coloured silver. I put real silver coins, 1 try-on silver, as you can see there. We've got 25 coins in total of real silver. And here's a chain, 925 silver. And here's the firearm. It's empty anyway. And here I put some belt buckles. Cannabis belt buckle. Another one here. Dollar belt buckle, skeleton, Illuminati belt buckle. That's my favourite one. It's right in the middle. You just screw them on here. And here are CO2 canister. I put about 60 of them. Make it look stylish, you know. We got 4 boards in total and 89 pairs of handcuffs. And I'll show you something really cool now. Bling bling handcuffs that I made. I got all these bling bling in the shop. They just stick on. I think I'm the first person in the world to make bling bling handcuffs, because I never seen them on YouTube before, never. It makes it look really cool. See the way they're exactly the same on each side. It's good to have different designs on them. Took me a while to do it, but I did a good job anyway.
To win the World Cup, so you know there's pressure on them. Maybe in a different way. Our pressure is to try and show.
Here I put forks. Make it look stylish. Spoons here. CO2. They're like this. A plus. These are not real silver. These are only just Russian coins. It's got to put different things on them. Here I put a mirror here. I just screw this on, all this wood here. Screw them on here. And here I put lights. That's the best board I made. This is the first one I made. It took me 3 weeks to make this board. Anyway, thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you again. Goodbye.